how to add widgets to your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So I'll be showing you two different methods that you can use to go and add widgets to your computer. The first method is by using Windows built-in tool. So what you need to do is open up the start menu, go and search for settings and then click on the settings window. Now in the left hand side select personalization, then scroll down to taskbar and click on this, and where it says widgets you want to make sure this is turned on and enabled. You can then close out of this window. You can then press the Windows and the W key on your keyboard. That's going to bring up this widgets window. Now from here you can click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side, click on discover new widgets, and then you can go and select the widget that you want to add to this window. So you see we have a bunch of different ones to choose from. Once you found the one you want to use, you can just go and press pin, and that's going to pin this to your widgets menu. So the next time you press Windows and W, you can see we have all of our widgets in the left hand side. Now if you want to add the widgets directly over to your desktop, then what you'll need to do is open up the start menu, go and search for Microsoft Store and click on this window. In the search box, go and type in widgets and press enter. You then need to click on this one here, which is widget launcher, and then you can press install. Once it's finished installing, we can go and open up the application, and just like before, go and select the widget that you want to add to your desktop. So let's say I wanted to add the calculator. You can then go and press launch widget and just wait a couple of seconds while this goes and launches. And once it's finished, you can see it's going to launch over to our desktop here. And now we're permanently going to have this widget located on our desktop. And you can basically add as many widgets as you want to your desktop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.